Transnational crime are criminal activities that transcend national borders, often involving organized criminals, group, and complex networks. These crimes pose significant challenges to law enforcement due to their intricate nature and need for international cooperation. Drug trafficking. The illicit drug trade involves production, transportation, and distribution of prohibited substances across national borders. The Golden Triangle region in Southeast Asia, where opium and heroin are produced, exemplifies a hub for drugs trafficking, infecting countries like Myanmar, Thailand, and Laos. Countries face increased crime rates, health issues related to drug abuse, and strain on healthcare systems. It can also contribute to corruption and undermine economic stability. Human trafficking. Exploitation of vulnerable individuals for forced labor, sexual exploitation, or other forms of servitude involving recruitment, transportation, and exploitation across borders. The trafficking of women from Eastern Europe to Western Europe often face into prostitution or domestic servitude is a common example. Countries experience human rights violations, social inequalities, and potential health risks for victims. It also led to a loss of skilled labor and change or damage to the reputation of country involved. Armed trafficking. The legal sale, smuggling, and distribution of weapons across borders are often a supply conflict zone and criminal organization. The traffickers of arms of conflict areas in Middle East and Africa, foiled by demand for weapons on ongoing wars and conflict, exemplifies the scale of this crime. Countries experience violence, instability, and human rights abuses. It can also undermine peace efforts and create a climate for fear and unrest. Cybercrime. Criminal activities conducted online including hacking, data theft, financial fraud, and the distribution of malware. Online scams targeting individuals and businesses across the globe, often originating from countries with weak cyber security regulations, showcase the global reach of cybercrime. Countries face financial losses, economic disruption, and damage to reputation. It can also affect national security, compromise sensitive data, and erode trust in online transactions. Money laundering. Concealing the origins of illegal obtained profits. Corporations to launder drug money, further contributing to the global drug trade. Countries face economic instability, corruption, and a decrease in investment. The flow of illegal funds can also facilitate other transnational crimes and undermine the rule of law. Environmental crime. Illicit activities that damage the environment and ecosystem, including illegal logging, wildlife trafficking, and pollution. The illegal logging of timber in the Amazon, rainforest, often exported to other countries, contributes to the deforestation and loss of biodiversity. Countries experience loss of national resources, threats to biodiversity, and climate change, leading to the environmental degradation and potential economic losses. Understanding these examples allow us to apprehend the multifaceted nature of transnational crimes, the complexities of their operation, and the significant challenges faced by the countries in combating them. These crimes are interconnected and foiled one another, requiring comprehensive and collaborative efforts and international and national levels to effectively address them.
The global scourge of human trafficking, a transnational crime. Human trafficking, a modern-day form of slavery, is a transnational crime that exploits and abuses individuals for financial gain. This heinous act transcends national borders, involving complex networks of traffickers who operate across continents, exploiting victims for forced labor, sexual exploitation, and other forms of servitude. This essay will delve into the mechanisms of human trafficking, examining its operations within source, transits, and destination countries, illustrate the workings of notorious trafficking organizations, provide recommendations for combating this crime, and conclude with a call to action for global cooperation. The network of exploitation, a cross-border enterprise. Human trafficking is a multi-stage process that involves distinct roles and actions within source, transit, and destination countries. In source countries, often characterized by poverty, political instability, or lack of educational opportunities, traffickers prey on vulnerable individuals using deception, coercion, or force to lure them into false promises of better lives. These individuals are then transported through transit countries, often with little or no protection and facing increased risk of exploitation. Destination countries provide the market for the exploited labor or services, where traffickers leverage their victims' desperation to maximize profits.
A case study, the Nigerian Mafia and the Exploitation of Women. The Nigerian Mafia, a well-established criminal organization operating across Africa, Europe, and North America, illustrate the complexity and scope of human trafficking networks. This organization often targets young women, utilizing sophisticated recruitment strategies including online scams, forced marriage, and promises of employment. To lure victims into trafficking unstrapped, victims often face enslavement and situations of forced prostitution, domestic servitude, or even organ harvesting. Smith Joe Rowell Tosanto, the Nigerian Mafia uses a network of corrupt officials, money launderers, and transportation operatives to facilitate the trafficking process, making it difficult for law enforcement agencies to dismantle their operations.
Effectively addressing human trafficking requires a multi-front approach involving international cooperations, victim support, and law enforcement collaborations. Global cooperations, establishing strong international agreements to enhance cooperations among countries in investigations, prosecution, and extraditions of traffickers is crucial. Border security, strengthening borders control to monitor and prevent the movement of trafficked individuals, while prioritizing human rights and avoiding discriminatory practice is imperative.
In conclusion, a call for global solidarity, human trafficking is a global crisis, requiring a global response. We must recognize the interconnectedness of this crime and engage in collaborative efforts to dismantle the networks, protect vulnerable populations, and hold perpetrators accountable. This requires stronger international collaborations, enhanced border controls, victim-centered support mechanisms, and robust law enforcement actions. By working together, we can dismantle the trafficking networks and ensure that all individuals have the right to a life free from exploitation and abuse.